All right, y'all already know the vibes, man. This part 2 of the test ride on the 01 Trx400ex, y'all. Doing the first test run, as y'all seen in my title, I heard like a small ticking noise. So now we're gonna be doing, you know, a new test run, y'all, to make sure we don't hear that ticking noise no more. But other than that, y'all already know, man. Always check your gas before you ride, man. Pipe is cold. Let's see what happened, y'all. No ticking noise, y'all. Going around the course today, y'all. Doing like 2 miles per hour, y'all. I did too much, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Hold up. There we go. I did too much. test out those corners today.